Alright, Jammin JD Sports Cards. Just going to do a quick recap of tonight's break. We had 2013 Prime Football in one of them. That's what we'll do here. Show you the order real quick. So if you missed the live and you just want to watch the recap, you can see what team you got. There we go. We'll flip through the base cards real quick for you. Miles Austin, Reggie, Big Ben, Brady, Cap, LaShawn McCoy, Witten, Drew Brees, Calvin Johnson, Dez, Pitts, Russell Wilson, Cam Newton. So those are your base cards. Let's see, for rookies, we had the list back there. All right. Nice Giovanni Bernard, Luke Jokel, Kenny Stills, Aaron Dobson, Geno Smith, Goodwin, and D. Miller. For the gold parallels, we had Doug Martin, Ed Reed, Patrick Peterson, Chris Johnson, and Jonathan Dwyer. Inserts, prime timers Andre Johnson, Mohamed Sanu, Brandon Marshall, and then a really nice primed rookies Cordarrelle Patterson. A couple short print rookies. Zach Ertz to 350. And Desmond Trufant to 99. And for our hits, Stedman Bailey, auto to 250. That goes to Len B. Nice level 5 Deion Jordan, jersey auto. That went to Eli C. Really sweet Tavon Austin patch, 55 of 75. Very nice looking card. Also going to Len B. And then we had this dual jersey EJ Geno. And that went to random between, let's see, Brandon S. and Lucas C. And the winner of that was Lucas C. It's number to 330. Alright, so that was the Prime. If you haven't gotten one of our breaks, you got to check it out at jamminjdcards.com. We got breaks every Friday, and they will be listed tomorrow for sale for this coming up week. Thanks for watching.